Hello everyone, how to add Google Form in your website, any type of website, your any type of CMS or your custom website, so same process. So how to add your Google Form, that means your if I make a first of all a Google Form, so you see here is the Google, and you can see this is the from option. This is the from. So how to embed it Google Form and add this embedded code in your website. So all process, if you watch the full video, you can do it very easily, no problem. So first of all, I use the demo. This is the contract form, it's the demo for Google Form. So I just made it, click and automatically made in my mail, and this is the all of thing your mail. So no thanks, we cannot edit because it's just for video purpose. If you need anything up and delete or add something, edit your text, so you just click and add this. And here's the plus icon, you can see this is the plus icon, and you choose the shorter answer paragraph text box drop down. So anything else, if you want to date picker, so everything you can do it in this section, that means the Google from edit section. So by the way, so our main thing, how to this code we generate and use our website, right? So Google from automatically given the sum of your code. So first of all, when you edit everything, you can see the auto change saved in drive. That means when you change something, it's automatically saved in the your Google Drive. And when finish the editing in our form, just we click the send button, and you can see the mail option. If you want to send this mail your some of user, so you can add a mail and just send it. So go there, no problem. And here is the link in the Google Form link. That means if you copy this, and if you suppose if you just open this platform, anything, if you share this mail, so you can see this is the mail showing. But no need this link because we use our website embedded code. So you can see this the quotation mark, that means it's the code. So just click it the embedded HTML, you can see the HTML. So our need to 700 pixel in width, and height our need to 1200. And when I add it, so automatically here is the iframe, you can copy it, just for click copy. And you can see here is our WordPress website. So same process, if you use the any type of custom or Shopify or Wix, anything. So just it's the HTML code, I just told you how to do it. Okay, so our required content, that means the page name, I just click the edit section. And if you see, this is the edit mode in the WordPress section. So here is the page title, and this is the type your text. So I added the custom HTML code. So here is the HTML and preview. So I just paste or copy it link, that means this is, so it's the Google from embedded link. I added in this in my website, and this is the iframe. And I hope if you know that how to work the HTML CSS, so you understand the how to work the iframe for everything. So this is the embedded code, and width and height you can change it, no problem. And placeholder, some of you add the CSS code, you can add it, no problem. So just we update, and you can see automatically update and view pages. So Google from already added in our website, this is the result in this website. So you can see here is the scroll bar, because need to increase or height, because minimum height so don't show properly in all of our from. So this is the right now we cannot see any type of scrolling. So this is the result in the Google Form, how to add Google Form in your website. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope this video helpful for you. So thank you so much. Have a good day.